Welcome back to the doghouse. Well, here we are. Another Sunday in the books. Another week in the books. I had a good week. Got a few things off of my bench. A few commission paint jobs on sidecar bodies. Got them out the door. I go back to work on my stuff. Have a good, I don't know what I'm going to work on, but we'll work on something. Need to finish my U-site build up and get it a little bit closer. It's getting there, but I'll meet the deadline, I'm sure. I'm close to it. But anyway, got some model cars and coffee. Thanks for the mug, Paul. Enjoy it every Sunday. But welcome back to Model Cars and Coffee. Brought to us by Left Coast Model Car Builds. Y'all enjoy this old Mercury. Mercury I built back in 04, I think it was. Anyway, the inspection sticker says 04. Used it for I'd used the engine and stuff out of it for something else. So I decided to do it curbside. So I'm going to flip you around here and let you eyeball it a minute. Be right back. Oh, AMT 64 Merc. They're still running this kit. They've probably no telling how many times they've issued this thing in the last few years. But anyway, this one I built up, and like I said, I used the engine out of it, and I think I used it in a 61 Mercury I built. And I had this thing laying around, just playing with paint one day, and started messing with this. This is what I ended up with. It's House of Colors ultraviolet pearl on the sides of it, and then the interior, two-toned interior. Come out pretty sweet. Some old pinstriping decals. I done some pinstriping decals back in, I don't know, 2003, 2004. I done some sheets of pinstriping decals and sold them. That's some of them on this car in silver. I think I was looking at this in my, that is some Pegasus Fat Daddies on there. But after looking at this car a little bit today, or this afternoon, I think I'm going to pull the chassis out from under it and see if I can change the style of it a little bit by just swapping the wheels and tires. I got an idea. You'll probably see that in another video. We'll bring it back. I'll take a couple pictures of it here while I got it sitting here. I'm going to leave it sitting on my bench. But just something fun to play with. I'm going to take this thing apart. It's got a little bad spot on the deck lid where something hit it and chipped it. I'm going to try to touch that up, fix that. As far as underneath, there ain't nothing. There ain't a single thing up underneath it. It's even got 3M tape holding the hood on it. When I do a curbside, I don't go to hoods. I usually tape them shut or something of that nature. But it's pretty cool. I mean, it come out good. I won a second place in a curbside with it one time. 05, I found the plaque in the house the other day. You said white shifter ball again, Kelly Coons. It's white and purple carpet. No, it's black. Looks like black flocking. Yeah, black flocking. I two-toned it, dull coated it. Detailed up the dash a little bit, looks like. I seen somebody had some inside door handles and armrest. I might have to find them. I think Kim was talking about him over at building model cars in retirement. I think he was talking about him. But we're going to give this thing a little facelift here in the next few days or something like that. See if I can brighten her up a little bit, change the style of it some. I think I can by just swapping some wheels and tires, adding a couple little parts to it. But anyway, that's my motor cars and coffee for this Sunday. I'd like to thank Paul for hosting it every Sunday. I appreciate everybody's friendship. If you ain't checked Paul's channel out, go over and check it out, guys. It's pretty cool. He got a bunch of old stuff, and he's pretty informative on some of the stuff. He likes him on custom rods and hot rods and a little bit of everything. Boy, I knew I wasn't gonna miss that coffee cup. But anyway, appreciate everybody coming to check it out or taking time to watch. Whatever you do, subscribe, like, share, comment. I like to hear from you. I enjoy reading the comments. Alright guys, remember what the K-Dog says. Be happy and model on.